When companies like Netflix, Microsoft, and Amazon want to make real-time business decisions, they don't wait on manual reports. They use Power BI, and at the heart of it is DAX. DAX isn't just a formula language. It's what turns raw data into powerful insights, the kind that drive billion-dollar strategies. So if you want to work at companies that live and breathe data, or become the go-to problem solver in your team, you need more than just Power BI basics. You need a master DAX. Introducing the Advanced DAX in Power BI course, a practical, step-by-step training designed to make you fluent in the DAX language used by top data analysts worldwide. Developed by an industry expert, this course takes you straight to the core of real-world analytics. Here's what you'll learn: how the DAX engine actually works, and how to optimize your logic. Mastering advanced calculate, filter, and relationship functions. Writing efficient iterator, scalar, and table functions. Building dynamic time-based measures like MTD, YDD, and YOY with time intelligence. Best practices to make your reports faster, cleaner, and smarter. This course is built for analysts, business intelligence professionals, and finance teams who want to stop just building dashboards and start owning the data behind them. On completion, you'll earn a certificate that proves you're not just Power BI ready, you're DAX ready. Most importantly, thousands of students and professionals worldwide trust and highly rate our courses. Still thinking? Check out Real Learner reviews and sample videos on this page. If you're ready to power up your BI skills and think like the analysts behind top tech companies, enroll now in the Advanced DAX and Power BI course.